Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making watermelon gelato. It is hot in Las Vegas. We have been hitting record temperature in the heat. It's been unprecedentedly hot and it's not even summer. So we are making something quick and easy that anybody can make. You don't really need an ice cream maker to make this. You can make this in the freezer, but I'm gonna make it in the ice cream maker because I want something real quick. To start with, I have a small seedless watermelon. I am going to slice it into two. No, I did not grow this. Mine are not ready yet, but best way to do this is to just slice off this. Alright, so what I'm going to do is to just slice them into really small cubes for a total of 3 cups. These are seedless, so they're pretty much easy to slice. Let's taste it. They are great. We're going to bring the blender. This is going to be quick and easy. Open the blender. I'm going to add the chunks in. This is roughly 3 cups of watermelon. Put it right there. And then we're going to wrap the other half, seal it. We're going to put this in the refrigerator. Then next, we're going to add half a cup of heavy cream and 1 can of condensed milk, sweetened condensed milk. Now, that's because I don't want to use any extra sugar. Now, you can use any sweetener of your choice. This is organic. The next thing we do is just to blend this for a few seconds. You're tasting it. Okay, so this is ready. Okay, at this point, you can pour this in a container, put it in the freezer, freeze it overnight, or for 1 hour. Turn in every 20 to 30 minutes to break down the ice crystals, keeping them small. But right now, I'm gonna pour it into this ice cream make up to the level. I'm gonna pour it. This can only make about 2 quarts. Close it, power it on, and then start it and let it churn for about 45 minutes and we'll have a gelato 45 minutes later. This looks absolutely great. Our gelato is ready and soft. I'm gonna put it on cool. Now it's ready to be served. Look at that, beautiful. I am going to put some unsweetened shredded coconut on top. And I'm going to take a taste. This is so good. It is so creamy. Absolutely delicious. You can taste every bit of the watermelon. Perfect sweetness. Amazing. You should try this at home. Refreshing dessert. So easy to make. Takes no time at all. If this video has been of value to you, please like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification button. This is Dr. Okeke. Thank you.